So the free cash flow is still a little bit negative, not much. Cash from operations positive, a little bit, 200 million I think it was roughly on 200 negative at free cash flow, 200 positive in cash flow I think roughly. So we're seeing an inflection point here in cash flow. So cash flow had been negative for the last, I think it was 6 quarters before this. And I think that's just a sign of they're getting more aircraft delivered. They're going to, they've got a lot of inventory still. They'll pull off the shelf to build aircraft going forward too, pull a bigger proportion of stuff off the shelf than they would during normal times, which should juice that cash flow up, pretty well. So I think it's the turnaround is still is underway. It looks like it's well in in swing. In the results we saw and the way company management commented on the end of the year, and so I think it was a pretty good results quarter for Boeing. Again, turnaround intact.
How are they addressing quality and safety issues, especially when it comes to the 737 MAX program?
Yeah, I mean, it's as Kelly Ortberg said, it's a process. I think just the sign of seeing increased deliveries is showing us that the quality improvement at Spirit, has seen success, and they're talking about, they're at 38 737s a month now. Kelly Ortberg says he's going to approach the FAA in a short period of time and work on the 42 737s a month. So again, he must have some level of confidence that his quality and his engineering is good in order to go further. It's not perfect. They've been slowed down a little bit in the certification of 737-10 and -7. They've pushed them into 2026. I think it's okay. It's not a big move. We'd like to see them come faster because 737-10 is a large competitor to the Airbus A320, which is very successful, and one of the reasons they saw United place a big order with Airbus. But again, I think that you can't expect this stuff to go in a straight line, and the fact that they think 2026 is when they could get certification, it doesn't tell me anything's broke. It just tells me the process is non-linear, and I think to be expected in aerospace.